This is a super toolkit, and it's just right to keep in the house. It's all so neatly done in this very sturdy case. Just undo the latches on each side. Already did that one, I guess. And it opens up into this delightfully packed kit. It has just the basic practical things. It has a measuring tape and pliers and a wrench. It has an electric screwdriver with all the different bits here. You know, some of the most used ones that I'm aware of. I know there's lots more, but and there's an extender for your for the screwdriver, and then it has this charging cord. It's very short, but so far it's worked out okay. And it's a C type of plug. I think they call that one an A, but I'm not sure. And so everything has its place. I'll put that away later. It has a great hammer, and reminds me a little bit of a horseshoeing hammer, but anyway, it has the claw needed for a lot of things, and it feels good in my hand. This also has a flashlight on it, and when you use it, the light lights up. So I just have to turn this into one of these positions. Sorry, I'm one-handed here. And it's, you know, the torque changes, I guess. And this is the highest over here. But the light comes on, and then it went off automatically. But then I just push this button to turn it one way, and then reverse, push this side. Very, very easy to use. So I highly recommend this kit. So it's just fantastic. I have to remember not to flip this side up or things fall out. But if I do it this way, everything stays in its place, and I just snap it closed.
There's your hammer.
Mine?
No. Has a decent little weight to it.
Decent little weight, right?
Here is the screwdriver, but like I said, I just got it, so I just wanted to share with you guys. Of course, I will be updating on this review to show you guys whether or not it worked or not. Take the picture. That's how that looks. Here, I was thinking it was
So like put it in, but then the back side is pull it out. Wait, can I move? What? Why am I gay? Monkey wants to take a bubble bath.
Está bien.
Okay, should I go do it for him?
Please.
Mommy said, yeah, you can have a bubble bath.
If it wasn't because I have my nails. We almost got it. There we go. We got it out. Oh, that's super cute. So you use it, right? And then you just push this so it stays open without you locking anything or anything. It stays open, and then you just push the button and it closes.
Here is the electric screwdriver kit. It comes with all these tools, measuring tape, hammer, the bits. It also comes in a really nice case, very heavy duty. And then we have the electric screwdriver, which is easy to use. You just spin it on. You press whichever direction you want to go. It has a light also that you can use. The tools are also really heavy and good quality.
Sige, anak na lang sa